Hey guys, guess what season it is? Spooky season, and what does that mean? Pumpkin spice! So, I saw something on TikTok, I have to try it out, and we're gonna be making frozen whipped coffee in our Ninja blender. Let's do it, let's see if it works. All right, so we all know that cold brews and cold coffees are expensive. So I want to test this out and see if it actually works. If it does, man, it's going to save a lot of money.
Ching, ching, ching.
So all we need is 1 cup of instant coffee in my beautiful trick-or-treat cup. It's not empty.
Okay. Into the Ninja
All right.
IQ blender, which has done us well. We love it
Love it.
and recommend it.
Not sponsored.
Definitely not.
1 cup of water. Hopefully it pours in all right. Oh, we made a mess. That's okay. I'm gonna pour in a little more that I missed. All right, and 1 cup in, I'll float down here, of maple syrup. All right, so once it's all in there,
Let's see if the Ninja blender can blend this.
Whip it.
Smooth, whip it.
whip it good.
Creamy
So
and dreamy.
once it's in there, I'm gonna pop the top on.
Pop.
Pop, pop, pop. And we are going
What
to
setting?
put it on smoothie setting. I have a feeling that that's gonna make it frothy. All right, let's test it out. Okay, so that was 1 cycle on the smoothie mode. Let's just check it out because this is the first time we're making it. Is it frothy? I mean, it's still a little liquidy. Let's do it again.
It's not whippy.
It's not whipped, but although the color's
Taste
accurate.
It. Taste it.
Let me just. Oh, that's good. Okay, it's getting there. We're gonna do it one more time. Boom. All right. That's the second time. Ooh. Let me see. I'm gonna have to feel it.
Doesn't the bubbles mean it's not whipped yet?
Not really. Oh, it's very liquidy,
Probably have to do it a couple more times.
but it's getting there.
Keep in mind, this is just coffee, water, and
Oh no, it's getting
maple
there.
syrup.
That is so good. It's strong though. But
Okay, we're
one more time. Hopefully, 3 times is the charmer.
It's getting thick.
It's getting thick.
I smell it
Oh
now.
my god. I mean, it's not cream, so I don't think it's gonna thicken like
This
whipped
still
cream.
has to be put in the freezer, guys.
So
and
we're-
frozen. So
So we're gonna pour this out into the container. Let me just get as much off here as possible. I would lick it if it wasn't sharp.
that's another video, and then we'll go to the hospital afterwards.
Yeah. All right, let's get this out of the way. And let's pour it into the dish.
Okay, let's move this over here.
Oh, it's nice and silky. Oh my god, this dish might be too small. It's okay.
So you don't use it.
We won't use it all. Yeah, that's thick, dudes. Thick. That's gonna go into the freezer for at least a couple of hours. And when I take it out, I will get back to you and show you the end product.
And hopefully we can make our whipped
pumpkin spice latte.
Whipped.
It's time. Let's see how it came out. All right, there's a lot of bubbles. I'm not sure what.
What is that like paw print in there?
I checked it.
You cheated.
I checked it an
You
hour
cheated.
ago.
Okay. Looks like a paw print.
You have to call me out, eh?
Well, listen. We're not going to lie to the viewers.
We
Look-
don't lie with
It looks like my dog walked in it.
Aww.
Or a little baby handprint.
Mama.
The ghost baby. Okay.
All right, so I am using milk and a little bit of creamer, just because I think the little bit of creamer will not suffice. So I'm gonna half it. Coffee and milk, goes together. So love my cup. Can't wait for Halloween, guys. We're going to California unless the strike at our airport ensues. So
Air Canada.
Air Canada,
Not our airport.
pleasure. Yeah, so stay tuned. We might be going to California and doing a whole ton of haunts. Okay?
Knott's Berry Farm. Dark Harbor.
Magic Mountain.
Magic Mountain. And 7th door. 17th door.
Not the 7th. The
17. They added 10.
All right, let's pour it. I'll go halfway. Halfway? Yeah. And then, let's scoop it. Let's see.
Get that baby pot.
Okay, it's not too thin. Wait a second. Did the coffee separate? Look at that. That's weird. Either way, I'm gonna get a whole bit of it and put it in there.
Was it supposed to do that?
I have no idea. Well, I whipped, I nade. Here's what happened. Scoop of that. Boop, boop, boop. Maybe add a little more. Dude, put it down.
Well, we want to see what you're doing.
I can't put it in there if you're holding it. And spice. It makes everything nice. All right, and then
It smells good. It smells like coffee.
a little,
Now you got to make it into a cold coffee. So you're going to what?
you're gonna
You're going to mix it.
sit around. The ice cube might be too big.
The Ninja could have come in handy.
I'm
right
sure we
here,
could have
okay.
made this what's it called? Colada? Coffee colada? This actually seems like it's gonna taste good. We're almost done here with the funny little twirling. I got moves. Oh, this feels really like creamy. Just want to mix up my pumpkin spice. All right. Oh, there's still a little bit. If the ice was a little more. If it wasn't one piece, maybe it wouldn't be so hard to stir, right? Right. Let's do it. And it smells good.
As good as Starbucks and as good as Dunkin' Donuts and Tim Hortons.
Oh, dude. That is delicious. Oh my God.
Homemade.
That is
With a little bit of this.
so creamy and so decadent. I mean, hold on. Another sip.
That's thanks to the Ninja blender.
That is amazing. Whoever, I wish I got the name, whoever showed this on TikTok, wow. Guys, it takes 3 ingredients, and if you don't have a Ninja, you can use a hand blender. So, I mean, not everyone has the Ninja.
And how long did you freeze this for? What, 2 hours, 3 hours?
3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours. It's separated a little bit, but maybe that's because I didn't pour it in correctly. I'm not sure. But either way, once it goes into your cup, oh, pure Halloween heaven. Cheers.